This group of videos will explain the purpose of and how to use the Attendance Assistant database application. The application is a Microsoft Access database file which requires no installation other than to have Microsoft Access installed on your computer. When the file is launched, it opens up within Microsoft Access and presents the user with a menu which can be seen here. The application has two main components. The first component allows the user to analyze and summarize student absences. The second component allows the user to quickly generate individualized attendance letters which can then be sent home. For this demonstration, I've created some attendance data with fictitious names. Let's take a look at some of the features. Eventually, I'll explain all the features of the attendance application, including how to import the attendance data. But for now, I'll explain some of the reports. Let's look at the periods absent report sorted by name. This lists all students in the school alphabetically. The report shows student name, age, grade, and the number of absences from each class. For each student, the classes are listed left to right from most absences to least absences. Total absence for the student are shown at the right side of the report. Only classes with absences are shown, and the number of absences shown includes all absences, both explained and unexplained. Jumping to the end of the report shows a record count. In this case, we have 860 students in this fictitious group of data, and as well there are some footnotes that explain the data. I'll just zoom in to get a better look at the report. There's one value I'll point out here. The number of days expired in the semester, it says here is 40. The application will automatically determine how many days have expired during the semester, and that gives you a value that you can compare in a relative sense the number of absence to for any student. There are three similar reports here on the main tab. This is the periods absent report sorted by age. It's exactly the same data that we just looked at, but it is grouped by age. Very similar report, but sorted or grouped by grade. Grade 9s are at the beginning. And another interesting report, this is the periods absent report sorted by total periods absent. So what this provides are the students at the beginning of the report would be those that have had the most absences. And the students at the end of the report would have none or very few absences. At the bottom of the main tab are three reports that allow for a fair bit of analysis. If I were to enter 8 here, and then click on one of these three reports, I would see only those students in the school who have missed 8 periods or more in any one course. Jumping to the end, the record count tells me I have 133 students. I could see the same 133 students, but grouped by age or by grade. I'm going to enter in 15 and kind of wonder how many students do I think I have that have missed 15 periods in any one class. Here they are, and I could jump to the end and see that in fact I have 49 students. I could see the same 49 students grouped by age or by grade. These reports might be used in trying to determine what threshold we're going to use as to how many periods absent with respect to attendance letters that will be sent home. They also might be used for student success meetings where individual students' attendance is discussed.